In the silence of the cosmos, something extraordinary has been uncovered. NASA's James Webb Space Telescope has once again peered into the deep night of space, and returned with a revelation that challenges everything we thought we knew. Not long ago, this telescope gave us a glimpse of the oldest known galaxy ever found, a window into the dawn of time. But now, it has seen something even more mysterious. A colossal black hole, not resting quietly at the center of a galaxy, but racing through the void of space. It's moving at over 4 million miles per hour, a cosmic projectile flung from the heart of creation. This isn't just a drifting shadow, it's a force of gravity and chaos, streaking through the universe like a runaway storm. But what stuns scientists the most, is what it leaves behind. Not darkness. Not destruction. But stars. A shimmering trail of newly born stars stretches behind it, 200,000 light-years long. That's twice the size of our own Milky Way. A black hole, known to consume everything in its path, appears to be giving birth. It's as if the laws of the universe have bent in a direction no one expected. Astronomers call it a runaway black hole, possibly thrown loose from its galaxy by the chaotic merger of titanic forces. A cosmic slingshot, flinging this giant into the unknown. The images, first captured by the James Webb Telescope and confirmed by the Hubble, reveal a glowing scar across the sky. A trail of stars forming in its wake, proof of a mystery in motion. And yet, this is only the beginning. The telescope has also turned its gaze to a place known as ARP 220. A galactic collision burning brighter than 1 trillion suns. Two galaxies, spiraling into each other for hundreds of millions of years. Their cores now fused in a brilliant, violent embrace. A storm of star formation erupts within, powered by clouds of gas denser than anything found in our own galaxy. Over 200 giant star clusters emerge from the chaos. In a space just 5,000 light-years across, Webb sees the birth of stars, and the graves of those that have already exploded. Supernovae, like cosmic tombstones, mark the end of ancient suns. This is not just a cosmic accident, it's the universe building itself anew. Faint trails of stars stretch outward, like arms flung by gravity. These tidal tales tell the story of creation through collision. And far beyond that, Webb looked deeper still. Into a time just 300 million years after the Big Bang. There, it found something we weren't ready to see. Galaxies. Massive ones. Some nearly 10 times the size of the Milky Way. Formed when the universe was still a child. According to everything we know, they shouldn't exist yet. These galaxies are too large, too bright, too fast. How did they form so early? The data defies every theory we've built. Even the Big Bang model now stands on uncertain ground. A new cosmic puzzle has emerged. Some suggest our understanding of the early universe is incomplete. Others believe something even deeper is at play, something beyond our current physics. Renowned physicist Michio Kaku said the Webb telescope might force us to rewrite the very history of space and time. The telescope also revealed a protocluster, a group of galaxies preparing to merge. Still young. Still forming. But destined to become a colossal structure. Like rivers joining to form an ocean, these galaxies are coming together to create something vast. All of this happened just 650 million years after time itself began. We are not just watching the universe, we are watching it become. Piece by piece, the James Webb Space Telescope is unveiling a reality stranger than fiction. Black holes that create stars. Galaxies that form too fast. Structures too complex for such a young cosmos. Are we seeing echoes of another universe? Or signs of a deeper design? Perhaps the answers lie ahead. Or perhaps, we've only just begun to understand the questions. What do you think lies beyond? Could the universe be older, deeper, or more mysterious than we imagined? Join us as we continue this journey, through the stars, through time, and beyond the known. Because somewhere out there, in the dark, the universe is whispering. And at last, we are learning to listen. In the vast ocean of silence, where time has no anchor and light takes eons to travel, the universe is unfolding ancient secrets, one photon at a time. A machine now floats in that silence, a mirror made not just of gold, but of vision. The James Webb Space Telescope. Not just a telescope, but a window to creation. With eyes tuned to infrared whispers, it sees what our ancestors never could, the beginning. Recently, it spotted something so rare, so improbable, it shattered expectations. A black hole. Not quietly sitting in the heart of a galaxy like most, but moving. Soaring through space at unimaginable speed. Not crawling. Not drifting. But racing, over 4 million miles per hour. Like a ghost unchained from its origin, tearing across the dark fabric of space. And it is not alone. Behind it trails a river of light. A long stream of newborn stars, 200,000 light-years long, a galactic scar carved into nothingness. How does a black hole, the destroyer of matter, the devourer of stars, somehow leave creation in its wake? It challenges the very story we thought we understood. The universe, it seems, is far more poetic than we dared to imagine. Astronomers call it a runaway black hole, perhaps exiled by a cataclysmic event, a collision between galactic giants. A gravitational slingshot powerful enough to hurl even darkness into flight. This runaway black hole, this cosmic renegade, might be weaving galaxies behind it, creating stars as it escapes the grasp of its past. But this is only one thread in a much larger tapestry. Elsewhere in the universe, the James Webb Telescope turned its mirror toward a site of unthinkable violence. ARP 220. A galactic battlefield. Two massive galaxies locked in a deadly spiral, merging, colliding, melting into each other. And yet, from this chaos, emerges beauty. Thousands of new stars ignite from the wreckage. Dense clouds of gas compress and explode into light. This is not destruction. This is genesis through impact. This is the universe reassembling itself. We are witnessing cosmic alchemy, where dust becomes light and darkness becomes form. Even more astonishing, Webb saw something deeper, older, galaxies that shouldn't be there. They existed just 300 million years after the Big Bang. By all our current models, that's too early. And yet, there they are. Some are massive, 10 times larger than the Milky Way. Galaxies too big. Too bright. Too fast. How did they grow so quickly in such a short time? Our physics begins to bend. Our